Hello, I'm Payam from Payam Data Recovery. I'd like to let you know that we recovered data from this iPhone 10 for one of our clients today. Now, this particular iPhone 10, our customer described the problem as, I accidentally put my phone in the washing machine and it won't charge or won't turn on. It appears lifeless. This particular client was after all their photos and they said they've got 3 years worth of memories on there. And the good news is for this particular phone, we were able to temporarily repair it and back up all the data. We created an iTunes backup and copied all the photos and videos and other information on this portable hard drive for our client today. This client's getting an email any minute now, and we're going to let them know the good news and that we recovered everything. So the cost of our mobile phone recovery service, whether it's an Apple iPhone, iPad, tablet, or any other mobile device made by Samsung, HTC, or any other brand, is $650 Australian dollars. We don't charge you anything if we can't help, so there's nothing to pay now. We only charge you the $650 if we're successful. We also offer free return delivery anywhere in the world, so if you send us your phone, we'll get your data back, copy it to a new hard drive, and send it back to you. If you have any questions, please send me a message or put a comment here. I'd love to help you. Otherwise, if you've got a dead phone, whether it's been through a washing machine or broken some other way, the chance of success is usually very high, probably like around 95 to 99%, depending on the type of fault. And if you know anyone that's got a dead iPhone or any other brand of phone, please share this video with them. Thanks.